say tell everybody that we're having sex? Or not having sex?
Is Sashawna that?
Shut up, you're a liar. Put your hand in my just dick.
All of that, man. And you start all of this.
Them have the nerve to look me in my face and say me start all of this? Well, screw them!
Good afternoon, sir. Do you have some time for the Lord?
Come on, man. Teen depression. It's obviously going through some rough times.
Yo. Just go on your wheels right there. Just go on your wheels then. I'm not really
The vibe, right now. No, man.
Me there. Me a whole of vibes. Me a drink my liquor, Zane. And this Jehovah Witness just come and touch me up and a talk about God and awake and all of that. Me not have time for that, brother. Me not have time for that.
I want you know, yo. I'm not really in the right state of mind. Just stick with yourself. Stick with yourself.
God send me to you.
So you know what me gotta do now?
Now, one you again.
Take the vibe, take the vibe.
Watch the foreigner.
No foreigner here.
Haven't seen you in a while though.
Yeah.
You're not even answering my calls, my texts, or block me from WhatsApp too. What did I ever do to you, Anthony?
Alright, let's not do this.
No, we are definitely doing this right now. Cause I don't know what I'm gonna do. What did I do?
You really, Rykel?
Really, Anthony?
I'm not getting into this with you right now.
Really? Are you serious? You're being ridiculous. Tell me, what did I do to you? Ever since that big thing?
I'm not doing this right now, Rykel. Really and truly. I'm not talking about this. Just let it go.
Anthony, like, it's been too long right now. Too long. We'll have to just get this sorted out and done. If I did something to you, can you please tell me what I did?
Yo, Rykel never know what she do yet, you know. You love play victim, though.
I'm not playing the victim.
You're the one who started this whole mess.
What are you talking about?
The mess with Sashawna and Matthew.
What did I have to do with that?
Jesus, you had everything to do with it. You're the one who kept on stirring the pot. At every chance you got, you just went back and forth and just repeating things that you know you weren't supposed to do.
You're being ridiculous. I did no such thing.
Really?
I had nothing to do with it. I was just being a friend to Sashawna, as a matter of fact. If anything, I was just trying to clear the air with everybody. I'm her friend too, you know.
I know funny enough. And me, I don't blame for all of this, you know. Me.
Me too.
And you know, I the one where they had to lie this whole time. The
Funny.
whole time.
I'm gonna tell you, I don't even think I can trust her anymore.
I swear.
When did I see Sashawna, by the way?
The last time I did see you, why?
She not come school now? She stopped come school. As a matter of fact, she not even answering my WhatsApp or my calls.
She probably just embarrassed by the whole thing.
I guess. Look, I hope we can be cool. Like, I'm sorry for everything that happened. It was a major misunderstanding. Alright, so I have some errands to run.
Alright.
By the way, block my on WhatsApp, you know?
Alright, come. So Rykel seems very apologetic and Jano, may not be a fuss if me not just accept it and move on. Life too short for all grudges, you know. Take care, what?
So what going, Sash?
Dog, there's a Sashawna have a new boyfriend.
All that concern you now, brethren.
Dog, my concern.
You jealous?
Cause
You jealous?
Matthew clearly has feelings for Sashawna.
Also, Rykel can send you things, but she can't respond to my text them.
so f***ing petty.
Demon Chinese girl. Oh, this is the guy?
Yeah,
Dog, this is a mugshot.
exactly.
A mugshot? Not fire. I don't think Sashawna should be messing with a criminal.
You see why I'm concerned now?
Dog, him look like a rapist.
Exactly.
And this is Sashawna new man?
Yeah.
Then Matthew says we should.
Swipe on him and...
Dog, no, wipe on that youth.
What? After me and the CIA.
Brother,
No, sir.
it's your friend, you're not
Dog,
concerned.
But man, I love man, dog.
What does that have to do with loving, man? Brother, your friend. That.
Why the f*** can I always have put me in a them situation, yeah?
Yeah, watch him. Let's say I got something now. Watch him. You see all them move them man.
Dog.
Can't take in the man.
Shut the up.
Yo, watch it now. Dog, we're not gonna do nothing.
Dog.
Yeah, so Sashawna just text me, you know. Sharing that man and come over here right now.
Oh, for real?
So you think I should have asked him about the watch up?
Why would Rykel think that's a good idea?
You mad?
Why?
What do you mean by why? You think about it.
To be honest, that just don't know what though. Not nothing to do with me, but if you wanna ask him, you can.
Rykel, no. Alright. I want to know too, you know. Because it seems shady, it seems sketchy.
Exactly.
Alright, we're asking about it, but we have to do it gently. Like, we can't just hit him so
subtle.
direct. Yeah, that's what we're going for. See them there. Alright now.
Hey guys,
Oh, go on, Sash.
long time no see.
How old are you here?
Oh, so guys, this is my boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
But they are try to keep it cool and thing, but it just so awkward, dog.
So guys, let's play Never Have I Ever.
Okay. Okay, I'll start.
Lord God.
Never have I ever gotten arrested or had a mugshot.
Jesus Christ, Rykel.
Really, Rykel?
What?
How you know about that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
And what you think? I didn't know about that?
So there's someone who has a mugshot and has been arrested at this stage?
Wow, don't play dumb. You know I hate when you do that? Meddling people business.
No, nobody business.
You know what? Just
It's
because you're
out
my
there.
best friend,
Public
that
record.
don't mean you can embarrass my boyfriend. You hear?
Really?
Really?
What does he have to say about this?
I'm not gonna say nothing. You have something to say, Troy?
Oh, I'm probably not nothing to say.
You know
No
what?
idea.
Talking to me.
This is exactly what I didn't want to happen.
Yo, boss man, easy yourself. Sashawna is your friend. When you find out say you have the mugshot, obviously we're gonna be concerned.
Exactly, that's all I'm trying to say.
How you reaching on
Who
this?
you talk to?
Obviously
Who you think you
who
are
else man
talking
talk
to?
Me not too like what I used to talk to Rykel, you know.
No, I
You
can't
think
bother
so?
with this.
You're not in prison no more, you know? You're not in prison.
Try it!
We ain't get drugs, Sashawna. This. I have to intervene.
Yo, dog. What you do?
What you want to do with that?
You're not in prison no more, you know? You're not in prison.
Try it! Bad
Your badness back at that.
I tell you.
Just go.
But I never know so you carry ratchet in your bag.
Yeah, me either.
Go to school too.
Yeah, the people them man.
And the boy shot the boy 2 back. Somebody should have video it. No lie.
I tell you, I love to see that on video. I'm not telling you. Hold on there. Let's see what text me.
No.
Oh, nice to see you again, Anthony.
Yeah, coming in for you.
I know you talk to me. I have a video I can get the expert right now.
So I cannot do that yet.
Because more make a deal with you. How that sound?
Does this deal involve Sashawna?
Nobody I go blackmail me and try punk me out.
You know what I think you done? You and your friend them are going low with relationship. You hear me?
So I have to find something I can use to blackmail him. Pay attention guys, class is in session. So, step 1 of digging up dirt, keep the target busy. So I'm gonna need Sashawna to get back together with that waste man there. The next step, we have to make the thing look real, because we don't want him to get suspicious.
Sash, you really with this guy still? You don't learn nothing from the last time?
Just let me be with him. I love him.
What is love? You love this? Prison
Please
warrior?
don't talk to him like that.
I am talking to him right now. What are you going to do? Really? Sash, come with me. I'm not.
Going to come with you.
Why? You choose him over me?
For right now, yes, Rykel.
Just remember this. Just remember this. Remember.
Whatever.
Him laptop did well secure, so I'm definitely gonna need some help.
Hold on them, going at that. Alright. Hold on there. Checking browser history. See some freaky that.
Oh, did somebody dance? Oh, did somebody dance?
Youth. Alright, hold on there. Shoot, this need a password.
No worries, man.
A file late encrypted.
I deal with it.
Alright.
Can't wait to see the look on his face when I confront him with all of this.
Yo!
Ha!
Where you coming from? I don't like waste time. You don't know this by now.
Look here, bossy. You gotta delete the video. You gotta load Sashawna.
You must frost.
Read this.
Say things are mere idiot. You see the hacker that was working for you? He worked for me.
Why think him slick? We didn't know so the hacker there work for Troy. So I had to find another way to get info.
I have a next surprise for you. Read this. Ha! I like what you say, Troy. Should I say Christopher?
Where you get this?
You know what I worry about that, you know?
Before he switched schools, his name was Christopher Hendricks.
You know what I worry about that? What you have to worry about is that this not reach the public.
How did we get this info? His social media accounts, of course. I found out we shared a mutual friend on Facebook, so I reached out to the girl, and she told me everything. Everything.
She just start spill every blood thing. So you what you gotta do now? You gotta make sure so that video they gone. You gotta load the whole of it out. And the information here I gotta just stay between me and you. How that sound? Sound good? Sound good? Alright. Dismiss. Yeah, dismiss. Take away yourself.
When am I gonna learn? Can't style a stylist.